In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reels in Meta Business Suite. We'll go through the full process of creating and publishing a Reel inside Meta Business Suite, from opening the Reel Composer all the way to sharing your finished post. If you manage content for a Facebook or Instagram business presence, this is a simple workflow to know because it helps you publish short-form video content directly from one place. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and click on Create Reel. This will take you into the Reel creation area where you can start building your post. If you're on the main dashboard, this option is usually easy to spot among the content creation tools. Once you're in the Reel Composer, click on Add Video. This is where you upload the video file you want to use for your Reel. Make sure you've already chosen the correct clip before starting, especially if you're working with multiple versions. It's always a good idea to double check that your video is the final edited version so you don't have to backtrack later. After your video is added, go ahead and add text. This is the written caption or message that will appear with your Reel. Keep your text clear and relevant to the video. If you're posting for engagement, this is a good place to include a short description that matches the content and helps viewers understand what they're watching. Next, choose your thumbnail. The thumbnail is important because it acts as the cover image for your Reel and can influence whether someone decides to click and watch. Try to select a frame that looks clean, visually appealing, and representative of the video. After that, add tags. Tags can help organize your content and make it more discoverable depending on how your page uses them. Be thoughtful here and choose tags that truly match the topic of your Reel rather than adding too many. Once those details are filled in, click Next. This moves you forward in the publishing process where Meta Business Suite will guide you through the remaining review screens. Then click Next again to continue. These steps usually help confirm your settings before anything goes live, so it's worth taking a quick glance over everything before moving on. Finally, when you're ready to publish, click Share. This will post your Reel through Meta Business Suite, and that's it. You've successfully created and published a Reel in Meta Business Suite. If you're doing this regularly, the process becomes very quick. Upload your video, add your text, choose a strong thumbnail, include your tags, review the setup, and share.